Technology and the future of e-commerce. The rise of the internet and digital technologies has transformed the way we live, work, and do business. One of the most significant developments in this regard has been the growth of e-commerce, which has revolutionized the retail industry and provided new opportunities for businesses and consumers alike. In this article, we will explore some of the latest technological advancements in e-commerce and their potential impact on the future of the industry. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, AI, is one of the most promising technologies for the future of e-commerce. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants have already become commonplace in online retail, providing customers with personalized recommendations and assistance. Additionally, AI can be used to analyze large amounts of data, such as customer behavior and preferences, to optimize product recommendations and marketing strategies. Augmented reality. Augmented reality (AR) technology is another promising development for the future of e-commerce. AR can be used to create immersive shopping experiences, allowing customers to virtually try on clothes, visualize furniture in their homes, and even test drive cars. This technology has the potential to revolutionize the way we shop online, providing customers with a more interactive and engaging experience. Blockchain. Blockchain technology has the potential to transform e-commerce by providing a secure and transparent platform for transactions. Blockchain can be used to create secure payment systems, track the supply chain of products, and protect against fraud and counterfeiting. Additionally, blockchain-based platforms can enable peer-to-peer transactions, bypassing traditional intermediaries and reducing costs for businesses and consumers. Internet of Things. The Internet of Things, IoT, is a network of interconnected devices that can communicate with each other and exchange data. In the context of e-commerce, IoT can be used to create smart homes and connected devices that can be controlled and monitored remotely. For example, smart refrigerators can automatically reorder groceries when supplies run low, and connected cars can order fuel and maintenance services when needed. Mobile commerce. Mobile commerce, or m-commerce, is the use of mobile devices to make online purchases. With the increasing prevalence of smartphones and other mobile devices, m-commerce has become a major force in the e-commerce industry. In the future, advancements in mobile technology, such as faster internet speeds and more powerful devices, are expected to further drive the growth of m-commerce. Voice commerce. Voice commerce is an emerging technology that allows customers to use voice commands to make purchases online. With the increasing prevalence of smart speakers and virtual assistants like Amazon's Alexa and Google Assistant, voice commerce has the potential to become a major force in the e-commerce industry. In the future, advancements in natural language processing and machine learning are expected to further enhance the capabilities of voice commerce. 5 grams technology. 5 grams technology is the latest generation of cellular network technology, providing faster speeds and greater bandwidth than previous generations.